In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can update your ELISA layout in the MyCurveFit Excel Add-In and provide some helpful templates to help you get started. The MyCurveFit Excel Add-In is useful for curve fitting integration with Excel and is an excellent tool for performing 4 and 5PL fits as commonly used in ELISA analysis. ELISA sample layouts can vary. Standards can be in different positions, you might run a different number of replicates, and these replicates can be in different orientations. However, due to the nature of Excel, using different sample layouts can be difficult. To help with this, we've created a few example templates for common layouts that you may find useful. You may be familiar with the format of this template that I have open. This is the ELISA template we have available for download from other videos. I have 6 standards, a blank, control, and then the rest of my plate is filled with unknowns. These are all in horizontal duplicates. The blank correction is performed by subtracting the average raw value from all other samples on my plate. The blank corrected data is used to perform my 4PL fit, and with those calculated parameters, the concentration for each sample on my plate is calculated in this concentration data matrix. The Fit tab shows my standard curve chart and plot data table. This version of the spreadsheet has an automatically updating plot data table that takes into consideration the maximum and minimum standard concentrations entered on the Data tab. This ensures the curve chart spans the range. The calibrator points are also plotted on the chart in this dark orange. And finally, the Sample Table tab uses cell references to report the raw values, blank corrected values, concentration, average concentration, concentration multiplied by a dilution factor, and percent CV. We've set up similar templates for horizontal triplicates, vertical duplicates, and vertical triplicates. If you'd like to download these templates, you can do so by clicking on the link appearing on screen now or within the video description. As a reminder, you can always update your template to any layout configuration required. Just update the formulas and references for each step. This can be a little cumbersome in Excel, but once you have your template configured, as long as you use the same layout for each run, you can just copy and paste your data in. What if your layout changes frequently though, perhaps as often as with each assay run? In that case, a different analysis tool might be a better fit. For full control over your analysis, including creating a custom analysis tool, I'd recommend MyAssays Desktop. You can find out more information and download a free trial by following the below link. If you'd like a free online data analysis tool, myassays2.com has some great pre-configured options available. Let's take a look at the 4-parameter logistic curve assay on myassays2.com. For a walkthrough of how to perform analysis with myassays2.com, please see the below video, or follow the link in the description. In this example, I want to focus on how the plate layout can be quickly adapted to any configuration. On the Measurements tab, you can see the data arranged in a 96-well plate orientation with a plate layout overlay. You can copy and paste your data directly in here, or select Choose File to import your data directly from a file, including proprietary reader formats. You'll see this layout matches my duplicate horizontal layout, but what if we'd like to perform analysis for a horizontal triplicate layout? I'll copy and paste my horizontal triplicate data from Excel into the pad. Next, I'll open the Microplate Layout tab to adjust the layout. I'll select Create Layout to open the Layout Editor. From here, I just need to add the sample types in the configuration matching my layout. I'll select Clear to start from scratch, and first I'll add 6 standards with 3 replicates each. I'll enable the rectangular fill, set the replicates to 3, with the replicates direction set to row for horizontal and the fill direction set to column to allow the samples to proceed vertically. Pressing OK, next I'll add my blank group, control group, and fill the rest of my plate with unknowns. Once my layout matches, I'll press Save and Close. Now we can go through the remainder of the tabs to make any changes necessary. To customize this for my analysis, I'll quickly update the standard concentrations to start with the value of 5 and follow a series multiplied by 2. We could optionally add dilution factors, sample IDs, or run notes. And we can select to calculate this report in PDF or Excel. I'll select Excel and press Calculate. First, we'll see an interactive chart, allowing us to visualize the curve, add samples to the chart, and see the CurveFit equations and R-squared value appearing below. The Excel report shows our curve data table with precision and accuracy, and below this, you'll see the sample table showing similar information to what we calculated in Excel. There are also options available for other curve fitting methods like 5PL on myassays2.com, including weighted fits. If you have any questions about analyzing ELISA data with different layouts in Excel or myassays2.com, please email us at support@myassays.com.